Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Rizky Parlika, uh, and my co-author is Arista Pratama. We both from University of Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Jawa Timur. And then I want to discuss about our research use of the web API as a basis for obtaining the latest data on Bitcoin price at 30 exchange places. Okay, next. Okay, uh, abstract. Bitcoin has become a commodity traded by millions of traders from all over the world. This is one of the cause of fluctuating price movements. And then from the data we got on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is traded on various cryptocurrency trading exchanges. And at every exchange that has a reputation, of course, has an API service to access historical data about the price movements of all the crypto commodities they have traded from the start. And by using the PHP programming language and implementation of the CURL function for JSON readings, we can pull Bitcoin movement data in real time. And then in this paper, Bitcoin is specifically observed because it is the forerunner and the main cryptocurrency commodity traded and is a determinant of alternative coin price movements in general. In this paper, Bitcoin price monitoring is carried out at 30 reputable exchange places through API access provided by each exchange place. The program code that is displayed directly in this paper can then be used as an initial reference if you want to develop a cryptocurrency price movement monitoring application for Bitcoin. At the end of the paper, an example of the application of Bitcoin price monitoring we will be presented using a web-based application containing charts and supporting indicators, as well as a Telegram bot to display price depth charts. Okay, introduction. Cryptocurrency has now as a commodity that is traded 24 hours non-stop and 7 days a week full time and various exchanges throughout the world. The basic nature of trading on cryptocurrency is how to obtain the lowest buying or price point and how to sell it at a higher price. It is so fast that we cannot just rely on our eyes to predict the next price movement. Previous researchers started that Bitcoin is emerging as an investment alternative, which has great popularity but is highly speculative. For that, it is very important to code it based on time series data. In previous research, which of course use different datasets, we managed to encode APIs from 30 markets trade Bitcoin, which has a daily trading volume of more than $100 million. Whereas in this paper, we present 30 different data sets with further development into a monitoring application for Bitcoin price movements that can run on browsers and telegrams. Our dataset is obtained from coinmarketcap.com, which was accessed in August 2020, where the total articles listed have reached more than 270 exchange markets. To get web API shares on 30 Bitcoin exchange markets such as Binance, Baybox, Bidex, Biggie, Bialexi, Bitmart, Bitmax, Bitmax, Bittrex, Bitzett, Bkex, Bybit, Catex, Coinbase Pro, Coinex, Digifinex, DSX, EXX, FTX, HBTC, HitBTC, Huobi, Indodex, Letoken, OKEX, P2, PB2B, System Coin, Tokok, Tax, and Yobit can be seen in Table 1. This is our methodology. First, literature study. We collecting information data about web API on 30 reputable exchange markets listed on CoinMarketCap. Programming, perform PHP CURL programming to make it easier to read the JSON structure API web. And the third, web and Telegram-based application development displays an example of a web-based Bitcoin price monitoring application that contains charts and supporting indicators. In addition, this paper also displays an example of a Telegram bot that displays a price depth graph as an example of web API development. So we have 5-point implementation. First of all, open one by one the place of exchange link that has been listed in table 1. Second, in general, the position of the API documentation link at each exchange place is at the bottom. But to simplify, the API documentation link at each exchange place can also be seen in table 1. Third, if you find a specific API that points to Bitcoin with variant pairs such as USDT, USD, if the combination with USDT is not found, or the official currency of the country of origin of exchange such as IDR in Indonesia, if no USDT or USD pair is found. Okay, fourth, run API code on browsers like Mozilla to make it easier to read the JSON structure. To simplify JSON reading, a program is created using the PHP programming language using the CURL function. Last, then save it in the format PHP extension, then run the results in the browser. It will appear as expected. Implementation. This is Binance example. The following is the Binance API code used. Okay, this is the sample. HTTPS API Binance.com API version ticker 24 hours. When executed in the browser, JSON code will appear as follows, like this. Okay, if we execute it in browser, it will show like this. Next. And then the following is the Binance PHP CURL code used will be shown like this in PHP. Okay, so if we executed this simple source code in PHP, and then it will be like this. So we can see easier than before. Okay, low, last, high. Okay, next. This is table 1. Table 1 is contains API structure and pair in each market of 30 cryptocurrency reputable markets like this. Okay, API structure. Okay, this is the name of market, and then this is API structure. We found it one by one, and then this is a pair that we will show, and this is API URL to get the code and then transfer and transform into easier uh, uh, show. Okay, next. Sorry. Application of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Based on the 30 web API presented above, we will present one of the web API developments into a web-based monitoring application using a combination of the programming language PHP, JavaScript, and HTML by also implementing the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator as shown in the picture like this. Okay, previous researchers suggest that Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a technical system that illustrates support and resistance values in a simplified form and is considered an extension of the very popular candlestick charting system. In fact, the system was built on the idea that at one glance, you should be able to determine whether an instrument is in equilibrium or consolidation or out of equilibrium or trending. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, next. Application of moving average, stochastic, and parabolic SAR indicators. Okay, feature 3, Bitcoin USDT on the Binance Exchange like this. Another development is to implement a combination of 3 monitoring indicators, namely moving average, stochastic, and parabolic SAR, which are all coded using PHP, JavaScript, and HTML as shown in figure 3. Okay, a moving average is a time series constructed by taking average of several sequential values of another time series. The stochastic oscillator is a two-line indicator that fluctuates between 0 and 100. It is basically a momentum indicator comparing the closing price of a security to the range of its price over a certain period of time. It is used for overbought or oversold readings, divergence, bull, bear trade setups, and crossover. The parabolic SAR, also known as the stop and reversal system or PSAR by Wells Wilder, is a trading indicator that was devised to find potential reversals in the market price direction. A dot placed below the price is a bullish signal suggesting momentum will remain in an upward direction. A dot placed above the price is a bearish signal suggestion momentum will remain in downward direction. Okay, this is stochastic. Okay, and this is a parabolic SAR, and this is moving average. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, and the last one, Telegram bot is display depth chart. To display depth chart, Telegram has a bot facility that makes it easy for software developers to create services according to their intended purpose. One of the interesting features is the bot Telegram, a special account without number that can handle comment from the user and gives answers appropriate to comment functionality. The account serves as the interface of the running system that communicate via Telegram bot API. By using the Telegram bot, we can also create a depth chart based on Indodax API. Okay, this is example in Indodax market. To access more, which is the buy side and the sell side, where if the buy and sell is bigger, it is predicted that the price will immediately rise because demand is greater and vice versa. As here we apply it to the Indodax exchange market. Okay, this is the feature. Okay, next. uh, Future development. Future developments that can be done, such as mining data on Bitcoin price movement from various exchange markets above, then looking for patterns based on technical analysis in trading, and also to find the start to the end of a price movement trend. It will be very interesting to apply smart computing to the mining results of Bitcoin price movement data to support prediction of where the price will move next. And then the development of graphical applications by tethering the ability to display notifications on the right time to make real-time purchases and or sales will get a lot of attention from the Bitcoin trader community from around the world. The implementation of intelligent computing on prediction Bitcoin price movement using like time series algorithms, ARIMA, LSTM, neural network, Bayesian regression, machine learning, deep learning, and other forms will increasingly lead to the acquisition of the next Bitcoin price prediction accurately. In addition, monitoring from the Bitcoin blockchain side is very interesting to research in order to find the correlation of influence of assets movements on the blockchain with price movements in the market. Okay, the last one, our conclusion is one, any reputable Bitcoin exchange market will certainly provide a web service that is easily accessible by developers to build third-party application to facilitate reading of price movement. Second, each exchange market has a different API web structure. So the way to access it is different. Third, its web API in this paper provides initial results in the form of a JSON structure so that it can be read using a web-based programming language such as PHP using the curl function. Fourth, by combining PHP, JavaScript, and HTML programming techniques, the web API can be developed to display graphical applications as well as implement general technical indicators such as Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, moving average, stochastic, and parabolic SAR. And the last one, by utilizing a Telegram bot, it can also be programmed with PHP to produce a price depth chart feature. And this is a reference that we use to our paper. Okay, thank you. I'm Rizky Parlika. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.